Hey guys, Chris Dunn here, aka the Boogie Man. It's Wednesday, August the 19th, and it's 7 o'clock. You know what that means? It's Boogie Tech time. This week's episode, we're going back to last October when we give Rob Pitts, aka the Rabbit, one of the scariest rides in a drag car he'd ever rode. Stay tuned, watch the video. I'll be right back with you.
Guys, stay tuned, see if I die. You know, it's kind of weird. I was talking about Jim Bullet Bailey dying, and now I'm going to go get in a 50-year-old drag car, wide ass open, down this track. You're not going to miss this. You know, I just went for my first ride in a gasser, and I'm gonna tell you something, man, it was friggin' insane. I loved it. I've rode in drag cars, I've rode in fast cars, but this is fast and out of control at the same time, and I love it. When we came up, I knew we was on for a pass, and all I could do was hang on and smile. Every time you grabbed a gear, my grin got bigger and bigger. I loved it. But now, when them wheels came down there at the last, my ass drew up on me, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, my ass drew up the whole time. All right, it wasn't supposed to be like that. I mean, it's
maybe that's the novice in me.
Yeah,
that was good.
It was a little bit more violent than I'm used to, but it was one of them things that this foot wouldn't push and this foot wouldn't lift, and I said, well, I'm gonna give you a ride. We're gonna give you a ride now, cause you know we almost hit the wall about 2 to 3 times.
In one pass.
In one pass. You know, so I mean, it was a ball, man. You are welcome. We'll take you for another ride.
I'm down. I loved it. I am hooked.
You know what I mean?
I gotta find me a damn gasser to buy. Guys, we'll catch you next time here at Rabbit's Used Cars.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. It was badass. You know, the old boogeyman ain't used to having 200 pounds in the passenger seat, so it was a wild ride. But I tell you what, if you liked it, you could ride in it too. We're gonna give 3 rides away this year in the Boogeyman. 3 individuals is gonna win a ride in the Boogeyman. But the only way that you have a chance to win a ride in the Boogeyman, you've got to subscribe to Boogie Tech on YouTube. So if you've got a smartphone, download the YouTube app and subscribe to Boogie Tech today. Chris Dunn, aka the Boogeyman. And by the way, remember, don't be a puss. Keep them straight axes straight. See ya.